Here is a tip for anyone wanting to run a Ford. I think most Fords have these in a gut and go class. So this guy right here is called the fuel inertia switch, and when you get in a wreck, see how that popped up? So if you get in a wreck or a fender bender, this pops up and that shuts off your fuel pump. You know, then you got to reset it so that your fuel pump will continue to go. So it shuts off the fuel pump, so just in case something bad happens. I know Ford Escorts have these, Crown Vics, Grand Marquis. I would bet that every Ford, or 99% of them, have these. So what you're going to want to do is, there's just 2 wires going to it. You're going to cut these wires, wire nut them together, and then you're good to go. And there you have it. Wires are wire nutted together. Put a little tape on there just for some extra protection. And now she's ready to smash. Let's go.